This man is insane. His name is Will, and his favorite food is focaccia. One day, his friend came to his house and brought him focaccia. When he couldn't contain his happiness, his eyes came popping out of his head. But what happens next is absolutely shocking. I'll show you the full video. First, if you think these kittens are cute, then hit like and subscribe. These stray cats are starving. They were abandoned, and no one is helping them. If you are a good person, leave a heart emoji in the comments and share this with your friends. Then someone with a good heart can save them. Now here's the video. Well, Will can actually pop his eyes out on purpose, and it's one of his amazing